What's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. So this is it. Malalaman na natin if I really know where my Tim Hortons coffee is. But first of all, we want to thank everybody who joined our giveaway contest. And to our new subscribers, I hope you will continue to support and watch our videos because this is not going to be the last giveaway contest. We're going to have many more to come. So keep watching and keep supporting us, guys. So here it is. Let's watch it all together. Pwede ko tikman pa ulit?
No. Choose.
One lang? One taste lang?
Choose.
Sabi mo, take your time.
Take your time on one cup at a time.
Ito, hindi talaga to. So,
Bakit?
ito, hindi din.
Are you sure?
I-try ko ulit, ha?
No.
Ito,
sige.
wag na
Ba't
to.
mo yan di-try? Hindi mo alam. Baka meron bago Tim Hortons. Lemon flavored original brew.
No. X na to, X.
XX.
So, ito na lang, dalawa. Ako ay nalilibog na. Sige. May answer na ako.
Ano?
Yung answer ko?
Ano?
Hindi pa. Last. Okay, sige.
O sige, ano answer mo?
Oh my, ang hirap. Last na.
Pati yung gitna, di mo na try, ha? Parang ang suspicious.
Hindi ako tanga, no? Lemon and coffee lang yan. Hindi yan yung homebrewed ni Yang. Okay, sige. Bahala na si Batman. Bahala na. So, ang I think my Tim Hortons coffee is... Oh, nag-try siya. Ito ang i-try mo.
Hindi.
I-try mo lang. I-try mo lang.
Ay, di mo na try, ha? Di mo na yan na-try.
Na-try ko to. I-try, sige. So, for me, I think this is the Starbucks, I think. This is the Starbucks. And this is... I think this is the McDonald's. I'm not sure. So... I've never tried second cup, but I think this is the second cup and this is my Tim Hortons coffee. So, don't know. I'm not sure. Alam mo to, no?
Hindi.
So, I'm gonna flip.
Wow! Wow, ano yung gitna? Baka yan yung correct answer. Yan yung correct answer mo. Baka yan yung correct answer mo.
See? I got it right! I really know my Tim Hortons coffee. Oh, homemade coffee! Lemon lang naman yan. And then, if I'm not mistaken... Ay! Mali ako!
Oh!
Macafe!
Cry.
Kaya pala, no? It tastes similar. Parang same lang sila.
Cry.
Second cup, oh. Totoo. Tama ako, tama. Starbucks and first. Starbucks. So what can you say, Budoy? Tama ako, no?
I congratulate you from the highest monarchy of Newfoundland, me as your son, as the descendant of your blood. I congratulate you, mother and son.
So there it is, guys. I really know where my Tim Hortons coffee is. So sinabi ko sa inyo, 'di ba, na alam ko kung ano yung lasa ng Tim Hortons coffee ko. So the answer is yes, and this means we want to congratulate Tina for winning 2,000 pesos because she was the first person who commented the right answer. And to those who got the right answer, you will still have the chance to win 500 pesos because we will be picking 5 persons to win 500 pesos each, and the draw will be held on our Facebook page. The link is down below. Tomorrow, 8 p.m. Philippine time. So good luck to everybody, and again, thank you so much for watching and joining our giveaway contest. Till next video, guys. See ya. Love you.